Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to switch account types in Upwork. Whether you're managing both a freelancer and client account or need to toggle between different professional profiles, this quick process will help you navigate between them seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Upwork.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the primary account you want to start from. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for accessing your other linked profiles. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon, which typically displays your photo or initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This menu serves as your control center for managing your Upwork presence and accessing different features related to your account. From the drop-down menu that appears, navigate to the option labeled Switch Accounts. This is where Upwork displays all the profiles you have linked under your login credentials. You'll see your other account profile listed here, whether it's a freelancer account, client account, or agency profile. Simply click on the profile you want to switch to, and Upwork will immediately transition you to that account view. The platform handles this switch instantly, giving you access to all the tools, settings, and information specific to that particular profile. And that's it. You've successfully switched between account types in Upwork, allowing you to manage multiple professional identities under one login. This feature is particularly helpful if you're both hiring talent and offering services, as it lets you keep everything organized without logging out and back in repeatedly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.